The alarming reality of unregulated AI in the workplace, a wake-up call for businesses. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, artificial intelligence, AI, tools have become a staple in almost every industry. However, not all of this adoption is happening with full transparency or oversight. This raises an urgent question. Are companies fully aware of how their employees are using AI? According to findings from MIT's State of AI in Business report, while only 40% of organizations have invested in enterprise-level large language model, LLM subscriptions, over 90% of employees are already integrating AI tools into their daily workflows. What's even more concerning? Research from Harmonic Security shows that nearly half of sensitive interactions with AI systems happen through personal email accounts, bypassing corporate controls entirely. This trend has given rise to what many experts now call the shadow AI economy, a term that refers to the widespread use of unsanctioned AI tools by employees without the knowledge or approval of IT and security teams. But here's where it gets controversial. Should businesses clamp down on this behavior? Or should they embrace it and find ways to govern it effectively? Employees lead the charge, not leadership committees. One of the biggest misconceptions about AI adoption in enterprises is that it's driven by top-down initiatives led by visionary executives. In reality, the opposite is true. Employees are the ones pushing for the integration of AI tools into their workflows, often without waiting for formal approval or guidance from leadership. Even when companies provide approved tools, workers frequently opt for newer or more specialized platforms that better suit their individual needs. This creates a significant governance gap, leaving businesses exposed to potential risks. The challenge for security leaders is clear. Unless they take proactive steps to uncover and manage this hidden activity, they risk exposing their organizations to vulnerabilities. For example, if employees use AI tools that aren't compliant with data protection regulations, sensitive information could be mishandled or leaked. Why blocking access isn't the answer. Many companies have attempted to address the shadow AI problem by implementing strict blocking policies. These strategies aim to restrict access to popular AI platforms, hoping to slow down adoption rates. But does this approach actually work? The evidence suggests otherwise. AI capabilities are no longer confined to standalone platforms. They're embedded in everyday applications like productivity suites, e.g., Canva, Grammarly, and collaboration tools. When one tool is blocked, employees simply switch to another, or worse. They access these tools via personal accounts or devices outside the company network. This leaves businesses completely unaware of how AI is being used within their walls. That said, some forward-thinking organizations are taking a different approach. Instead of trying to block shadow AI outright, they're focusing on understanding it. By identifying which tools employees are using and why, they can develop smarter governance frameworks that balance security with usability. After all, isn't it better to guide safe usage than to fight against inevitable trends? Why shadow AI discovery is non-negotiable for governance. For businesses serious about maintaining robust AI governance, discovering and cataloging shadow AI isn't optional. It's essential. Regulations like the EU AI Act explicitly require organizations to maintain visibility into the AI systems they use. Without a comprehensive inventory of these tools, effective governance becomes impossible. And make no mistake, shadow AI represents a critical piece of this puzzle. Different AI tools carry varying degrees of risk. Some may train on proprietary data without permission, while others might store sensitive information in regions with lax data protection laws, such as China. Such practices can expose businesses to intellectual property theft or regulatory penalties. To mitigate these threats, security leaders must first gain a complete picture of AI usage across both sanctioned enterprise accounts and unsanctioned personal ones. Armed with this visibility, organizations can categorize use cases based on their level of risk. Low-risk scenarios, such as using AI for routine tasks, can be managed differently compared to high-stakes applications involving sensitive data or regulated processes. Only then can meaningful governance policies be enforced, ensuring both data protection and continued employee productivity. How Harmonic Security transforms shadow AI management. Harmonic Security offers a groundbreaking solution to the shadow AI dilemma. Their platform provides continuous monitoring and intelligent controls tailored to employee AI usage. Unlike traditional static block lists, Harmonic's system evaluates each application individually, assessing its associated risks. For instance, marketing teams might receive permission to input specific types of data into designated tools for content creation purposes. Meanwhile, HR and legal departments would face stricter restrictions, preventing them from using personal accounts to handle confidential employee records. Behind the scenes, advanced models analyze shared data in real time, enabling precise classification and policy enforcement. This nuanced approach ensures that governance adapts to the unique needs of each department, fostering secure yet flexible AI usage. Looking ahead, governing shadow AI, not fighting it. Let's face it, shadow AI isn't going anywhere. As more software as a service, SaaS, applications integrate AI capabilities, unmanaged usage will continue to grow. Companies that ignore this trend today will struggle to maintain control tomorrow. A key to success lies in intelligent governance rather than outright prohibition. By prioritizing shadow AI discovery, Chief Information Security Officers, CISOs, can achieve the visibility needed to safeguard sensitive data, comply with regulations, and empower employees to harness AI responsibly. Harmonic Security is already leading the charge in helping enterprises navigate this complex landscape. But here's the million-dollar question. Are you ready to take the next step in AI governance? Because let's be honest, it's no longer about whether your employees are using shadow AI. It's about whether you can see it, understand it, and manage it effectively. Did this article spark your curiosity? It was contributed by one of our valued partners. For more exclusive insights, follow us on Google News, Twitter, and LinkedIn.